What's going on, guys? Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video, and I have been plugging away with the MetaQuest 3 when I'm not at work. I put it on for about a half hour to an hour a day, and I did notice the battery does die very frequently, but I had actually purchased the extended battery, and once I changed the head strap and got it comfortable on my head, that's when I realized that this strap is amazing. Initially, I was going to do an unboxing for this product, but I know a lot of people are talking about the battery life. The only issue I'm getting with my extended battery, when I shut off the headset or put it in sleep mode, I'll leave it for a day or two, I'll come back and the extended battery will have drained, and it was plugged into the headset, but I had left the headset, completely charged, so I don't think anyone's using it. Because the MetaQuest 3 is a brand new product, they're going to be updating the software quite a bit. So I do think that this extended battery is still a pretty good purchase. I have gotten double the play than I would out of the MetaQuest 3 itself. The MetaQuest 3 battery is not that great. If you do certain things, you can get less than an hour. I'm getting around 2 hours with my MetaQuest 3, and that's pretty good. My extended battery is working. Where is my headset? Okay, so we're recording now, guys. So I am using finger tracking on the MetaQuest 3, and if you click this little button right here, it will tell you your battery life. So, see, I just picked this up, and the extended battery was drained, and the headset was at like 98, so there's that. So this thing is draining, so what I'm going to do tonight is I'm going to shut the headset completely off, charge it up 100%, unplug it from the charger, and then when I get home, I'm going to check it out, because I have noticed, I definitely have noticed that the battery is draining when I'm not using the headset, which is extremely weird to me. I could see 10%, but to drain the entire system is just pretty crazy. If you had your eyes on this extended battery for the MetaQuest 3, I would still buy it. You still have a return policy if something were to happen. And I ordered mine right from Meta, so it might be a pain for me to get service for this. This headset is very adjustable, and it has the rubber in the back, which does get a little of animal and cat hair. But I've got to say, the way it fits on your MetaQuest 3 right on the side here, you just pull off the old one and put this one on. Fantastic design. Now I have this thing hooked up with the silicone facial interface, the extended battery, and I also got a Quest Link cable for my PC so I can play Half-Life Alyx. So this thing is pretty rocking, guys. I have had a few irritating issues with connecting it to my PC. I tried AirLink with 6 gigahertz Wi-Fi. It's pretty mind-blowing how far AirLink has come. I can actually play a game relatively well, and then every 10 minutes it'll stutter a little bit. My one problem with this is I want it to be charged when I pick it up to play, especially if I go through the motions to shut this off. That's my only gripe with this headset, is that I need it to be charged so that when I want to use it, I can. So it is a lot more comfortable, and I really do enjoy using it a lot more. So you can grab this and pull this on the outside and move it like right up to your face. We're just gonna turn around here. Check out the pass-through, guys. The lighting in here is set up for video, so it's pretty dark. Fantastic, guys. This AR in the MetaQuest 3 is mind-blowing. I've been working a whole lot, driving a truck, doing professional photography and videography, and also trying to take care of my family, so I'll be lucky if I play this a couple hours a week, but as long as it's fully charged when I pick it up to play it and I can use it, that's going to be awesome, guys. If you were thinking about buying the extended battery, guys, I'll have a link for it down below. That is an affiliate link. This video is not sponsored in any way. And if this is your first time here, guys, my name's Greg. I record tech videos weekly in 4K to keep you guys entertained and well informed, and I'd greatly appreciate it if you would just subscribe and hit the like button for me. It helps the channel continue to grow. That's really all I gotta say, guys. I'm really loving this MetaQuest 3, and questions and comments below. Okay, see you later. Peace.
Pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly.